Okay, like I said, I haven't cleaned it out in about 7 to 8 months.
You got it. You got it. You got it.
Watch. Welcome back to another weekly channel. What did I just say? A weekly channel? Welcome back to another weekly YouTube video, you guys. In this video, you will definitely be seeing my whole closet clean out. Let's just say it looks like a monster, like the Grinch, like vomited, projectile vomited, and just left that there. Yeah, the last time I did a closet clean out was about 7 to 8 months ago. And let's just say, okay, my closet has definitely grown since, because obviously I have like free PR. I go shopping, I do have an addiction on that, and I do need to slow down. Just got back from New York City a few weeks ago, and I have been trying to just kind of take care of the space that I'm living in, and unfortunately my closet is one that needs to be resetted all the way. It's more of a chill day. I went to the gym just now, I got back, and this is my outfit. Same sports bra, okay? Just a new tracksuit in a way. Nike. Matching white on white. I would love to lounge in this whenever, you know, I'm hanging out with friends, like, you know, obviously running errands and whatnot, and so this is the perfect fit. So let me show you my closet, because this is enough. Enough's enough. Okay, like I said, I haven't cleaned it out in about 7 to 8 months. By the way, I do have my dresser over there, okay, my big one. And then down here in the treasure box, it's kind of more of scarves and like blankets, so it's like not much of like an actual closet thing, but watch. But I don't know what the hell this is. What is this top layer? I don't know what to do. What? Just put this pants in like its original spot. I don't even know. And that's not even the worst part, okay? I somehow did fit a laundry basket in here, but what is this? Can you tell me what this is? My Gucci backpack is stuffed in here. Hats. Okay, I got pots and pans from like the sign or whatever. This is all literally from when I was in college about 2-3 years ago. So my shoes are, I don't understand. I genuinely do not understand. Like, how do I not have room? I definitely want to say that this is an entire mess. I can't. This is like, okay, so this is what's gonna happen. I put you guys up onto my treasure box little chest thing. I literally dragged it over here because I needed it for some kind of like stand. Put a bunch of clothes on a pile basically, and then we're gonna sort it out, because I don't know whether or not I want to give all of it to donation, or if I do want to put select items onto my Depop. Sometimes I like doing that depending on if it's like something that's like in style or like whatever. Let's just do this. Didn't take 30 minutes, maybe it took an actual whole hour, but this is all the clothes that I am going to be donating or putting on Depop, and then all this stuff was from my old apartment, and I found a really cute sign that my friend gave me, and I was like, where was it? And guys, look how cute this is. First of all, it says, do what you love, and she got it for me for, I think, my birthday or something. Let me show you what my actual closet looks like. It literally looks like a brand new bitch. I refolded some of the stuff up there, and now it's all kind of stocked up and kind of color coordinated, or like this is like the jogger section or the slack section, all skirts, yeah. And then this just looks so much better. Like, I had a lot of more room in one of these like drawers, so I ended up putting some of my crop stuff in there, and wow. I can actually put my hamper, my laundry hamper in there, and then look at all of my shoes. This isn't even all of my shoes, first of all. I have some in the garage, and then I have some in like, kind of like this. Yeah, it was always so cluttered and disgusting, and now I cannot believe this. This is just so much more organized. I have my hats in here, and then also like my crop sweaters and like my pullovers, kind of like button-ups or whatever, you know what I mean, with a long sleeve. This is so cute. I have my sportswear right here, my quarter zips, more cropped hoodies. Obviously that took way too much space up here, so I was like, no, this has to go down here to reserve space. Still know what to do with this, honestly, but you guys, everything else looks so good. What? It's time to situate all of this. It's insane. One pile is gonna be for donations, the other pile will be only select picks for Depop, so I do have to restock in Depop anyways, so that's why I gotta do what I gotta do. don't know what happened. This is Depop and that's also Depop. So I think I'm just gonna try as much clothes as possible because I need to fill up maybe one more extra bag because this is not happening. I cannot be having just this entire pile just sit here until it gets sold. We have a new closet. She's a brand new biatch. That was kind of a quick video, honestly. Kind of, not really. It felt like it was like a million years draining all this stuff out and dragging it. I had to do it eventually, and then once I move out next year, it will be much more smoother. So I'm thanking my future self in the back. I think that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that this motivated you to do a deep cleaning. And just kind of being able to watch, I guess, the transformation. I mean, it wasn't too bad, but it was like disgusting. Let me know if you guys want more deep cleaning like videos. I recently did like a deep cleaning session for like self-care, mental health, me unwinding from my New York City trip. So if you guys missed that, go ahead and click back on that and watch it through. But in the meantime, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to turn that post notification. That way, you know, always posting throughout the entire week. We'll definitely see you guys in the next YouTube video. Bye!
But she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door.